If you like what you see in today's video, please like and subscribe to my channel, Bob's Bites of Life. Alright, so today's the totally first day of spring, so I got out the pressure washer. Time to do the front of the house because I painted all the 4 shutters recently, so before I put those back up, I am going to pressure wash the front of this house. And we'll see how far that goes, but it's nice this morning. It's in the 60s, if not upper 60s, so, and it's almost 10:30, quarter to 11, so we'll see how this goes. She started up after I remembered to turn it on. Well, I did about 30 minutes. I'm working my way down from the top. So, yep. I think I got to about a little bit below the top of the window. Windows, I did this one too. A little bit to the top. We're getting down, you can hear the water. All right. I need to get somebody to paint that circular. 15 minutes later, this one's done. Let it dry, either late today or probably tomorrow, Sunday. Put the shades back on that. Now I gotta move over to the second one, but we're only doing from the window down because I earlier did the top. So trying to avoid the bees while I'm out here too. Okay, so now, since I finished the front, I thought, well, that took less than an hour. Let's work on the front porch area. So that's what I'm gonna tackle next, is this front porch area. There's a bee flying around. I'll try not to get the bee. But I'm gonna tackle the front porch next with our trusty gas pressure washer. Okay, so now I've decided, it's only 10 minutes to 1. Let's tackle the front of the garage door and the top. I think this is gonna be pretty quick. All right, let's get started. I'm gonna tackle the first 2 panels of the driveway. See how this goes. Shouldn't be too difficult.